Welcome to a Sim Code. Every click helps. Like, subscribe, and be part of this growing coding family. Imagine you are trying to find the longest sequence of unique characters in a string. We use a sliding window approach to solve this problem efficiently. Picture two pointers, one starting at the beginning of the string, left pointer, and the other expanding, right pointer, as we scan through the string. As we move the right pointer, we keep track of the characters we have seen and their latest positions using a dictionary. If we encounter a character that we have seen before within the current window, from left to right, we move the left pointer right past the last occurrence of that character to avoid duplicates. The length of the current window, from left to right, is continuously updated, and the maximum length of such a window is our answer. This method ensures we examine each character only once, making it very efficient, and time complexity. Left pointer of the window. To keep track of the length of the longest substring. This will store the most recent index of each character. Let's iterate through this string with the right pointer. Get the current character. Check if the current character is already in the window. If it is, we move the left pointer to the right of the last occurrence. Why +1? Because we want to skip the previous occurrence of the character. Update or add the current character's most recent index in the dictionary. Update the maximum length of the substring found so far. The window is from left to right, both inclusive, so the length is right left +1. Test example. Now run our code. Hey friends! I hope you're loving the coding tips and tricks so far. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and makes sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Plus, it's the best way to stay updated with all things coding. Thanks for being part of the community. Let's keep learning together.